wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best mechanical keyboards. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Tomoko 87 key is a no-frills unit that manages to capture the best features of an old-school mechanical keyboard without the modern price tag of one. It's great for writers and programmers and is built to withstand 50 million strokes before needing to be replaced. It comes with a keycap puller and laser-engraved letters and numbers. However, it doesn't have a separate number pad. At number 9, with its silver chassis, white keys and blue backlight, the eagletec KG011 Industrial has a crisp, clean look that makes it perfectly suited to the modern office environment. Plus, it's splash resistant to help protect you from the occasional coffee spill. It includes a full numeric keypad and adjustable rear feet, but this one's not for hardcore gamers. Coming in at number 8 on our list, this Azio MGK1 Gaming is an elegantly designed keyboard that was also crafted with protracted use in mind. It incorporates a comfortable and detachable palm rest that helps reduce hand and wrist strain, while its anodized aluminum faceplate can endure near constant abuse. It features an easy-access volume wheel and white LED backlighting. However, the wider keys rattle a little. To see all of our choices, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for mechanical keyboards, or click beneath this video. At number 7, if you're traveling or have limited desktop space, the Corsair Vengeance K65 was made with you in mind. It features a compact body for easy portability, but still includes full-size key spacing, so you don't have to change your typing technique to use it. It comes with a detachable cloth USB cable and a rugged aluminum chassis, but it doesn't have as many features as larger units. Moving up our list to number 6, the Havit HV KB366L RGB looks awesome with its multicolored lighting and feels great under your fingers too, whether you're typing a paper or blazing through an RPG. Unfortunately, the keys are not individually programmable, so you'll have to stick with the presets. It boasts N-key rollover technology and 4 levels of brightness. However, it may not work with older laptops. Halfway up our list at number 5, the LED backlit redragon K552 Kumara may come in at a price lower than many other units on the market, but that doesn't mean it can't keep up with the best of them. It's suitable for a range of situations, from gaming to office use to classroom applications. It's a durable metal and ABS construction, with a gold-plated USB connector and double-shot injection-molded keycaps. At number 4, the Razer Blackwidow Ultimate Elite features a sleek modern look that extends right down to the font used on the keycaps, but it also boasts the brand's pioneering switch mechanics, which help improve responsiveness and speed and were designed specifically for gaming. It's equipped with programmable keys that are rated to last for 60 million strokes. However, it may require additional software. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Corsair Strafe RGB offers better performance than similar gaming keyboards, but also greater customization if that's important to you. For example, if you already own the company's headset or mouse, Q-Link will connect them all for the ultimate lighting experience. It features textured and contoured keys, a detachable soft wrist rest, and Cherry MX silent switches. To see all of our choices, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for mechanical keyboards, or click beneath this video. At number 2, while there may be more responsive or customizable models on the market, none are likely as beautifully crafted as the Dusk Keyboard 4 Ultimate. The keys on this stealth bomber of a board come completely blank, if you so choose, giving you a typing experience like no other. It boasts a super speed USB 3 hub, an oversized volume knob, and a standout build quality. And coming in at number 1 on our list, with Cherry MX switches that are both very fast and highly tactile, the Logitech G710 Blue Mechanical is designed for the quickest fingers out there. Dedicated one-touch controls give you access to volume, mute, and media playback without needing to use a function key. It includes 6 programmable G keys and adjustable dual-zone backlighting. It's compatible with Windows and Mac operating systems. To see all of our choices, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for mechanical keyboards, or click beneath this video.